Top 32 Titus Maccius Plautus quotes, Roman playwright. 10 most famous Titus Maccius Plautus quotes, BSD. 7 wise Titus Maccius Plautus quotes, wisdom. 9 Titus Maccius Plautus quotes that will make you think. 4 Titus Maccius Plautus quotes on friendship. 2 Titus Maccius Plautus quotes on wine. 10 most famous Titus Maccius Plautus quotes, BSD. 1 Patience is the best remedy for every trouble. I would rather be adorned by beauty of character than jewels. Jewels are the gift of fortune, while character comes from within. Nothing but heaven itself is better than a friend who is really a friend. A word to the wise is enough. Everyone can remember that which has interested himself. The poor man who enters into a partnership with one who is rich makes a risky venture. Do you never look at yourself when you abuse another person? Nothing is more wretched than the mind of a man conscious of guilt. Your wealth is where your friends are. Courage in danger is half the battle. 7 wise Titus Maccius Plautus quotes, wisdom. Not by age but by capacity is wisdom acquired. Courage is what preserves our liberty, safety, life, and our homes and parents, our country and children. Courage comprises all things. If you speak insults, you will hear them also. It is easier to begin well than to finish well. Unexpected results are the rule rather than the exception. No man is wise enough by himself. It is well for one to know more than he says. 9 Titus Maccius Plautus quotes that will make you think. It is customary these days to ignore what should be done in favor of what pleases us. Things we do not expect happen more frequently than we wish. There are games in which it is better to lose than win. No man will be respected by others who is despised by his own relatives. You must spend money to make money. He who seeks for gain must be at some expense. He whom the gods love dies young, while he is in health, has his senses and his judgments sound. How great in number are the little-minded men! If you have overcome your inclination and not been overcome by it, you have reason to rejoice. 4 Titus Maccius Plautus quotes on friendship. Where there are friends there is wealth. Friendship is composed of a single soul inhabiting 2 bodies. Every man, however wise, needs the advice of some sagacious friend in the affairs of life. No guest is so welcome in a friend's house that he will not become a nuisance after 3 days. 2 Titus Maccius Plautus quotes on wine. Let us celebrate the occasion with wine and sweet words. This is the great fault of wine, it first trips up the feet, it is a cunning wrestler,